Also very nice today on
Asun tuossa Keittiömassin puisto.
on 12th of July 2024. We have Vesijärvenkatu 53 staircase A. The staircase B is different. The staircase B is from 1998 with another 2000 elevator there. This was built in 1991 with 9 floors, capacity 6 versus 480 floors. There is a 6675 and yeah, we can try to get around here.
Yeah.
It's also in Lahti, Finland. Yeah. Like that freshness.
Yeah. Moi.
I like the sounds here.
Same here.
Feels like 1987, 88.
Yeah.
This might be at the beginning of 1991.
Expected by Kiwais, but maintained by Kone.
Though it has these softer doors.
Yeah.
I love the smell in here also.
Same here.
I have typical late 1980s Kone machine, but not 91 here.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's